What's going on, guys? Today I'll be showing you a very easy tutorial. Most of you probably play Bee Swarm and know how to do this, but for the new players and don't know how to get good fast, today I will be showing you how to get very good in Bee Swarm fast. So first, what you will want to do, I will first be showing you. If you're first here, you will want to go here and just collect this. You'll probably collect, let's see how much you collect when you're new to Bee Swarm. Let me see how much you collect. I probably collect way more since got the starter. Yeah, I collect 12. For if you probably collect like 3 or something. Wait, I got a festive gift. 10,000 honey. Never mind, it's going away. Yeah, so like today I will be showing you where all of the areas are and show you a little bit about them. Sorry about that. First is a 5B area. You might want to kill your spider. Where's my to kill a piece? What the heck? Oh, I didn't collect my hive. I'm so stupid. Alright, that's the 5B area. That's the 5B area. This is the next area. To get to the 10B area, you want to go to the 5B area. Turn this way where I'm going. Turn this way, and here's the shop. You could probably buy all of these. You could probably buy all of those guys. Next area is the 15B area. 15B area is over here. You have this, unlock your ace badge. You can go in here, click the star jelly, do the memory match. Next up is the 25B area. This is how you go to the 5B area and go up to the 15B area. So you will want to go up this thing, this bridge. And just you can fight Mondo Chick and those stuff. This is the 25B area. And yeah, now we're gonna show you how to grind a lot. But Mondo Chick's here, so it's gonna be very. Why do I still have this encrypted? Alright. First, the thing to get good very fast, 2 quests. You want to do quests. Yep, you want to do quests. And sorry guys. I have to fight Vicious Bee, guys. Wait. I have to fight Vicious Bee. He has only 2,000 HP. Yes, I killed Vicious Bee. Alright guys, back to the video. Oh wait guys, first I'm just gonna fill up my bag. I'm gonna fill up my bag, sell it with a ticket, and wanna know how? Just do this. Just grind. Just do this. When my bag's full, I'm gonna end the video. Mother chick, don't kill me. Alright, yeah, all you want to do is that. Just grind a little. Mother chick, I swear to God, I'm at 200,000 pollen. You're not taking all of my pollen today. Actually, I'm allergic to pollen. No, I'm just kidding. That's in game. Guys, what you didn't know, when you run around and collect, like, boosts and stuff, you might get you might get more honey, like this. If you collect that, you're gonna have a boost, so you're gonna get extra. I don't know why I'm getting less, but okay, I just got 1,000, so never mind. I don't know why my speed boost didn't go up. But once my bag's full, we're ending the video off. Thank you. $500,000. Oh my God, freaky Mondo chick. Come on, Mondo chick. 10 times boost. Guys, look at it go. My honey is going up so fast now. Guys, I'm not trying to brag. I'm just like happy that my honey's going up so fast. No, 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 get that, get that. Oh my God, my speed was so much right now. Okay, collecting my full honey. See you guys in the next one. Peace.